Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to know about top 10 facts about human hair. 1. Hair is made of a protein called keratin, which is also found in nails and animal hooves. 2. The average person has about 100,000 to 150,000 hair follicles on their scalp. 3. The color of hair is determined by the amount and type of melanin in the hair shaft. 4. Hair grows about half an inch, 1.25 centimeters, per month and 6 inches, 15 centimeters, per year on average. 5. Each hair on the scalp has a lifespan of about 2 to 7 years before it falls out and is replaced by a new one. 6. Hair is extremely strong and can hold up to 100 grams of weight without breaking. 7. Hair is sensitive to changes in hormones, which can affect its growth and texture. 8. The texture of hair is determined by its shape, with round hair shafts resulting in straight hair and oval or elliptical hair shafts resulting in curly hair. 9. Hair can hold a lot of information about a person's health and history, including drug use, stress levels, and even the foods they eat. 10. Hair has been used for centuries as a material for clothing, jewelry, and other decorative items, and is still used today in some cultures for these purposes. Thanks for watching. If you want more informative videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel.